What is a Damos or map pack in ECU remapping? Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can make more videos like this. Also, let us know what you'd like to see in future videos in the comments. A map pack or Damos converts the raw data file, which is equivalent to 100,000 pages of data, into workable, detailed maps within the file so we can tune them. Because the raw data file isn't usable, it's like trying to work with an A to Z map of the entire globe, then trying to find a singular street name, for example Oxford Street, without an index, telling you which page to go to and which grid reference, for example, page 34,421 in the grid reference. I'm not really sure if that made any sense for you or not, but basically the raw data file can't be worked with without the index. To get the correct Damos or map pack, it can take some time, so be patient with your map writers. Once we have the map pack loaded, we can start the tuning process on the file. The map pack doesn't tell you what or how to tune it, simply turns raw data into lists to let us determine what the map is, and then it's up to the map writer to decide how to tune it. A Damos file, also called map pack, is like a decoder or guidebook for that data. It tells you where each map is located in the ECU file, what the map does, for example, boost limit map, injection timing map, torque limiter map, what units to use within the map, for example, bar, degree C, milligrams per stroke. Example, imagine opening a big Excel spreadsheet with 100 numbers but no labels. You wouldn't know what anything means. A map pack is like someone handing you notes that say, on row 10 to 30 this is the turbo boost map in bar pressure. On row 40 to 70 this is the fuel injection duration map in milliseconds. On row 100 to 120 this is a torque limiter map in Newton meters. With that you can actually understand and edit the right parts without bricking the ECU software. In summary, without a Damos or map pack, you're guessing and working completely in the dark. With a Damos or map pack, you know exactly what's what. Now the next step is how to tune it. If you'd like more videos like this, please subscribe and like our videos. We offer face-to-face training in Chesterfield, England if you'd like to attend one of our training courses at the OBD company or via our online training platform too. Happy mapping, Lewis.